Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Volkswagen Scirocco 2-litre TDI BlueMotion. It's a tech DSG start-stop, so 2-litre. It's the car with the satellite navigation module. It's a 2014. It's had the cam belt replaced by about 50,000 miles by VW. Got good service history at 19, 36, 50, 63, 71 and 73,000 miles. Now done 75,000 miles. Good spec car. It's got those lovely anthracite alloy wheels. As you can see, panoramic glass roof. It's got black leather heated seats, satellite navigation. It's got the daytime running lights built in the fog lamp, in the front lamps, and it has front fog lamps as well. Flat bottom leather multifunction steering wheel, privacy glass, rear park sensors. Alloys have just been refurbished. So they are in excellent condition. Front of the car, not stone chips or anything. Nice, very nice. Panoramic roof, tilts and slides, or the sunroof, we've got it tilted at the moment. Air conditioning and climate control is freezing cold. Sports leather seats, which are heated. Rear seats look like they've never been sat in. It's got the modes down there for sport and comfort on the suspension. It's the flat bottom multifunction steering wheel in leather. Obviously Bluetooth, DAB radio, and does have satellite navigation. Lovely and clean in the boot. Load cover or parcel shelf is all complete and there. Boot's nice and clean. Does it have, yeah, space saver spare wheel, jack, wheel brace toolkit, all present and correct. Another freshly refurbished alloy wheel, and that one. Coupe tyres on the front, Pirelli's on the rear. So electric windows, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, automatic headlamps. 75,035 miles, so only just come up 75,000 miles, all in very nice condition. Leather on the driver's seat, not worn. Again, I'll show you in the back. Beautiful condition, so there you go. The price for this car is £7,895. Great service history. Very nice sound. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There'll be quite a few Siroccos. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh video. You would get a notification, be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.